Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Play Store. So I'm going to click on here, open Play Store. After you open up your Play Store, click on search right here. Then come to search apps and game and type Microsoft Outlook. Then hit on search. Then it's going to take you right here. Click on the Microsoft Outlook. Then you have the interface right here. So at the time of making this video, 1 billion plus have successfully downloaded and installed this app on their Android phone for mail and the like. So the next thing you want to do here is to click on install. So the next thing you want to do is to click on install. After a successful installation, hit on open. Then it's going to take you right here. The next thing you want to do is to come down below right here and click on create a. And next thing you want to do is to click on. The next thing you want to do is to click on create new account. Then you'll be taken right here. Next thing you want to do here is to enter your username right here. So what you want to do right here is to click on here and enter your email ID. After enter your email ID, make sure you leave it in outlook.com, or better still, you can click on here and then here you can switch to Hotmail. But so after you enter your user ID, next thing you want to do is to make sure you leave it in outlook.com, then hit on next. Click on next. Then you'll be asked to enter your password right here. So what you want to do is to go ahead and enter your password. After you enter your password, next thing you want to do is to click on next. Then right here, you will need to make sure you add your country. By default, country has been effected. Next thing you want to do is to add your date of birth. So click on month right here and select your month. Then click on day right here, choose day. Then click on here to type in year. Then click on continue. So right here, you have to add your name. So once you add your name, click on I would like. So once you add your name, click on this particular box right here. The next thing you want to do is to come down below right here, click on next. Let us prove you are human. Press and hold. Press and hold. Then you'll be taken right here. Quick notes about your Microsoft account. What you want to do right here is to simply click on OK. Add another account. Would you like to add another account? Click on maybe later. Your data on your way. Click on next. Click on accept. Click on continue to Outlook. Now you are here. Enable notification, turn on. Now, allow Outlook to send you notification, hit on allow. Everything has been completely set up. You are now in your Outlook mail. You can click on this profile icon right here and check on the settings, and you have your Outlook.com right here. Inbox, your draft, your Anki, your sends, your delete, your junk file, and your conversation history. Is that simple. So this is how to create a new Outlook mail account in your Android phone. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.